Hi, today I'm reviewing the Cosrx Advanced Snail Peptide Eye Cream. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out don'tbsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the Amazon link below. Okay, so this product, I only had a chance to do my initial impressions, and I know I've probably recommended it to a lot of you. And I thought I needed to get my full review out since I already bought my second backup of it. I figured it's time to get the full review out. Okay, so Cosrx calls this a non-heavy, double-functioning eye cream that visibly brightens the eye area by helping diminish the appearance of dark circles and puffiness with 72% snail secretion filtrate, 5 types of peptides, and niacinamide. And I agree with all of that. So, let me get right down to it. Okay, packaging, my first criteria. There's something about this package. I like the packaging, but there's something about it when it's sitting on my countertop with 10 other products, I never see it. But that doesn't mean the packaging's bad. It's just, I think it's just the dark cap. I just don't see it. But I love the airless container. It protects the ingredients from exposure to light and air. You know what? So many eye creams are packaged in jars, and I don't know if you're like me. It takes me a long time to get through an eye cream, and I feel like with most of them, by the time I'm down to the last week and a half of use, you're not getting any of the good stuff anymore. So that's why I love that they packaged it like this. So other than me not being able to see it, because I'm not blind, but yeah, very nice. And also I like the fact that you don't have to dip your fingers in there. So overall, I'm a big fan of this packaging. I wish they would package their snail cream in something like this, because that cream is so goopy and messy. It's out of control, but I don't think that'll ever happen. Maybe not in my lifetime. Okay, in terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, there are none of those, so that's a very good thing, especially for the eye area. It always surprises me when I see eye creams that have lots of alcohol in them. There's some, and they're not good for your eyes. And then we get to fragrance. There's no fragrance included and no noticeable scent to this one as well, so no issues with that. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so again, no issues with that. Ease of use. You know what I love about this one is I'm able to use this in my evening routine, and in the morning, if my eyes or eyelids are dry, I can use it in my morning routine, and makeup still applies okay over it, and eyeshadow does as well. And my eyelids can get dry very easily. So it works well in the entire eye area, eyelids, around it, everywhere. I also, sometimes I use an eye cream that has retinol in it. I like to use this over it just to prevent the eye area from getting too dried out. But it's very, very eye friendly, and it's not as goopy as their snail cream. The other thing I noticed when I was just reading about this on Cosrx's website, they also recommend if your face is dry to use this all over your face. And now I'm seeing some of those K-beauty brands, AHC is one of them, where they just make face creams that are eye creams. But if it's a face cream, how is it an eye cream? But it's like an eye cream for your face. It's just the marketing, really. I've only used this around my eyes. I haven't used it on the rest of my face. I feel like I would go through the tube rather fast. Although for an eye cream, it's a rather large size. 0.85 ounces. But, you know what? When I've got the snail cream, I don't need this for the rest of my face because I've got that. So, what I like about it, non-heavy texture, very light, absorbs very quickly. You see how quickly it absorbed. Fast absorbing eye cream. Let's see. Perfect for those, this is Cosrx. Perfect for those in their 30s who want to focus on aging care, as well as those who want to start eye care earlier in their 20s. Apply this cream on your entire face and gently massage all over your face with warm and clean hands. And the next day, you will meet ultimate soft and highly moisturized skin. I don't know, I haven't used it all over my face, but my eyes love it. Very easy to use, soaks in, layers well, works well in the morning, works well in the evening, plays well with all my other products. Very easy, so no issues at all with that. Okay, in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, okay, let me just start at the top. Snail mucin, which is a hydrating, soothing, calming ingredient. If you haven't tried it, it works great, especially if you have breakout prone skin or overly sensitive skin. It helps with both of those issues immensely. Then we've got sunflower seed oil, a good hydrating and antioxidant ingredient. Niacinamide, great for everything. Brightening, helps with fine lines, helps skin strength, helps the skin barrier. Niacinamide's awesome. Palmitic acid, which is a good hydrating fatty acid. Then we've got some other ingredients. Arginine, betaine, allantoin, panthenol, sodium hyaluronate. Vitamin E, also very good hydrating antioxidant ingredient. Vitamin E also helps protect skin and fights off free radicals. And then we've got copper peptides in there, along with several other peptides. Copper peptides have been shown to help increase collagen and elastin production in the skin. It also helps heal skin damage. Peptides help with firmness and plumpness. So if you don't have any peptides in your routines, I highly recommend adding it. I really think it helps. You might not notice it immediately, but I think peptide use, after a few weeks, you'll notice your skin just looks and feels healthier. So, okay, then we get to animal testing, and Cosrx is cruelty-free. The snails are not injured in the making of it. I think they use these giant snails. If you've watched any of my videos about any of these giant African land snails, they're gigantic. I guess giant's in the name, so they should be gigantic. But they're huge, and they kind of crawl around on a net in the dark, and that's where they get it. And I don't know. If you don't think about it too much and you just use it as an eye cream, that's the way to do it. I don't know. Although some of these people have them as pets. And it led me to an entire day of YouTubing, just watching these people bathe their giant African land snails and feed them and play with them. And I don't know. It's a whole genre out there. Can't believe I admitted to that. Okay. Performance. It helps a ton. Hydrates the entire eye area, leaves it feeling soft, diminishes the appearance of fine lines. Mentioned this before. I love to use this over my retinol eye cream just to prevent any dryness. Certainly brightens the eye area. I love the fact that it works well in my day and night routines. There are a few acneogenic ingredients, which may be the reason why you don't want to use this over your entire face, but butylene, glycol, palmitic acid, stearic acid, myristic acid, and vitamin E. So there's a few. So maybe the reason not to use it everywhere. I don't know. But if you have used it over your entire face, what are your thoughts? I just feel like I would end up going through these so darn fast if I did that. So, okay, price. So this is a full size, which is 0.85 ounces or 25 milliliters. Retails for about $28, but if you keep an eye on the usual suspects, Yes Style Korean, it's frequently on sale. But if you pay retail price, it retails $1.12 per milliliter, which is a little pricey, but again, I'd rather spend more money on an eye product that's packaged like this than less money on one in a jar, because I just feel like a lot of it's going to be wasted at the end. Then we get to the it factor, and I absolutely love this product. I know I've recommended it to a lot of you. Now I've finally got my initial thoughts and review and love for this product out, and I don't know. I have a hard time thinking that I'll find an eye cream that I like nearly as much as this one, but we'll see. I'm always up for the challenge. So out of 10 being a perfect score, this one got a 10. So certainly worth checking out if you haven't tried it out yet. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you if you guys have had a chance to try this out, and if you have, what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. Love hearing from you, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.